Hello, today our topic for NTSC is Venn diagram. In this topic, we have to represent various things according to the Venn diagram. Now, there are total of 3 types of questions in this chapter. First, type number 1. Type number 1 is logical Venn diagram. In this topic, we have to represent 3 or 4 terms according to the conditions. For example, suppose question is we have to represent computer skilled graduates employed. We have to represent computer skilled graduates and employed, and our options are, first option is like this, second option third option and fourth option is this. Now, we have to define that what will be the Venn diagram for the computer skilled graduates and employed person. Friends, we know that those persons who are computer skilled can be graduates, can be employed person can be graduates, can be computer skilled persons can be employed, and so the proper relation can be denoted by the option B, because some persons can be computer skilled, some persons graduates and some persons employed, and this reason show that some persons computer skilled, graduates as well as employed. So, for this question our answer should be option B. So, the idea of this topic is clear that we have to represent the elements according to the Venn diagram. Suppose there is example India, Kota and Rajasthan. India, Kota and Rajasthan. So, for this we use this diagram. This circle denotes India, then Rajasthan, then Kota. So, for this term we can use this diagram. For example, suppose question is we have to represent lawyer, male and teacher. Now, we have to represent these 3 terms. For this we can say that this circle denotes male, some persons, some males can be teacher and some males can be lawyer. We cannot connect lawyer and teacher because these are the 2 different professions. So, for this our diagram like this. So, according to these examples, the idea of this topic's type number 1 is clear. Now, take more examples. Second question, we have to represent vegetable, apple and spinach. Vegetable, apple and spinach. Our options are, A option is like this, B option, C option and D option is, we know that a spinach is a type of vegetable. So we can say that if this circle is denote sphenic and this circle is denote vegetable and apple is a different thing. So we can say that a vegetable, apple, sphenic should be denoted by option C. So for this question our answer should be option C. Now take next example. Clever, punctual, poor. B option is this. C option is like this and D option is like this. Now we have to represent clever, punctual, poor. Friends, we know that clever, punctual, poor, these are the properties of a person. These are the properties of the person. So we can say that some persons can be punctual, some persons can be punctual and poor, some persons can be poor and clever, and some persons can be clever, punctual and poor. So for this our answer should be option D. Now take next example. Copper, cobalt and silver. Our first option is, second option, third option and fourth option is like this. Now we have to find the proper relation between copper, cobalt and silver. We know that copper, cobalt and silver, all of them are different things which has no relation among them. So for this our answer should be option B. Now take next example. Doctor, lawyer and male. For this our A option is, B option, C option is, and D option is like this. Now we have to find the proper solution. Doctor, lawyer, male. Friends, as we discussed in the example, this circle can be denoted by male, some persons can be male, some persons can be doctor and some males can be lawyer. So for this we can say that lawyer and doctor both are different professions. So there is no relation between lawyer and doctor. Some male can be lawyer, some male can be doctor. So for this question our proper answer should be option D. Next example. Man, husband and daughter. Our first option, second option, third option and fourth option is this. Now for this we have to find man, husband and daughter. Friends, we know that all the husbands should be men. So for this circle is denotes husband and this circle denotes man. All the husbands are men, and daughter, for there is different circle. So for this our answer should be option A. Now take next example. female medicine and physician. Female medicine and physician. Our first option is, second option, third option like this, and fourth option is this. Now we have to find the proper relation between female medicine and physician. Friends, we know that for medicine there is a different circle because medicine is a different thing. Some females can be physician, some physicians can be female. So for this our answer should be option B. Now take next example. Suppose we have given 4 options. First option is, second option is like that, third option is this, and fourth option is this. Now the first question, for we have to find the Venn diagram birds, cows and cats. Now we have to find the proper Venn diagram for these 3 terms, birds, cows and cats. Friends, we know that birds, crows and cats, birds, crows and cats, sorry, it is crows not cows, birds, crows and cats. For this we know that all crows are birds and there is no relation between the cats. So the proper Venn diagram for this is option D, because all crows are birds and cats is a different animal. Now suppose the second question for this is, we have to find the Venn diagram for snakes, land creatures and water aviators. We know that some land creatures are water aviators and snakes is both land creature as well as water aviator. So for this our answer should be option A, because this circle denotes snakes, this denotes land creature and this circle denotes water aviators. Third, males, nephews and nieces. Males, nephews and nieces. Friends, we know that all the nephews are males. All the nephews are males. So for this our answer should be option D, because this circles denote nephews, this denotes males and this circle denotes nieces. So for this our answer should be option D. So all these examples are related with the logical Venn diagram concept. Now move on to the type number 2 of this topic. Type number 2 of this topic, which is simple Venn diagram. In this we have given a proper combination of various mathematical figures like circles, triangles, rectangles and different figures. For example, suppose the figure is given that this is circle number 1, this is circle number 2 and here is a square and as well as a rectangle, Now there are some numbers given here, 110, then 18, here is 80, 80, it is 30, it is 50, 15, it is also 15, here is 20, then 10, here is 20, it is 40, it is 25. Here this circle denotes number of families having television. This circles denotes number of families having VCR. Square denotes number of families having scooter. And rectangle denotes number of families having Maruti. Now here the Venn diagram is given that this circle represents number of families having TV, square denotes number of families having scooter, this circle denotes number of families having VCR, and rectangle denotes number of families having Maruti. Now we have given some questions on the basis of this Venn diagram. That's question number 1. Suppose question is find out the number of families, find out the number of families which have all the 4 things mentioned in the diagram. Now we have to find how many number of families which have all the 4 things mentioned in the diagram. Our options are 40, first option, second option is 30, third option is 35, and fourth option is 20. Now we have to find how many families have all the 4 things mentioned in the diagram. Friends, for this question we have to find a number which is present in all the 4 diagram, in the circle, both the circles, in the square and in the rectangle also. So by observing the diagram we can say that 20 is a number which is represent all those families which have all the 4 things. So for this our answer should be option D. So in the simple basic diagram we have to analyze the given diagram and then find a proper number according to the question. Take more example for this diagram. Suppose question is find out the number of families which have scooters. Find out the number of families which have scooters. Our options are, first option is 145, second option is 100, third option is 188, and fourth option is 240. Now friends, we have to find the total number of families which have scooters. Now the family denotes scooter have represented by the square. So we have to count all the numbers which are represented by the square. Here 15 is also present. Now we have to find the total number of persons those have total number of families those have scooters. Find for this we have to count all the numbers present in the square. 80 plus 20 100, 100 plus 30 130, 130 plus 15 plus 15 30, 160, 160 plus 10 170, 170 plus 18 which is 188. So for this our answer should be 188, because for this we have to count 18 plus 30 plus 80 plus 20 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15. These are the numbers which are present in the square. So for this our answer should be option C. Now move on to the next question on the basis of this diagram, which is find out the number of families which have VCR and television both. VCR and television both. Our first option is 84, second option 24, third option 104 and fourth option is 100. Now we have to find out the number of families which have VCR and TV both. Friends, according to the diagram, the families represent VCR is denoted by this circle and families represent TV denoted by this circle. Now we have to find the common number between both the circles. According to the diagram, we can say that 80 plus 20 should be our answer. So our answer should be option D, because 80 and 20 number is the common number of both the circles. Now take next example. Question is, find out the number of families which have VCR and TV both, which have only one thing. That means either VCR, either TV, either scooter or either Maruti. Our options are, first option is 160, second option is 184, third option is 225 and fourth option is 254. Now we have to find the number of families those have only one thing. Friends, we have to find those numbers which are present only a single diagram, like 110 plus 50, 160, 160 plus 40, 200, 200 plus 25, 225. So for this our answer should be option C. Now take one more question according to this diagram, which is find out the number of families which have TV and scooter which have TV and scooter both, but have neither VCR nor Maruti, and our options are, first option is 15, second option is 30, third option is 4, and fourth option is 50. Now friends, for this question we have to find the number of families which have TV and scooter both, which means TV and scooter. That means the common number between this circle and the square, but have neither VCR nor Maruti. So according to this diagram we have to find the number which present only in this circle and this square, which is 30. So for this question our answer should be option B. So this is the example for the simple Venn diagram. Here diagram is given, and according to this diagram we have to find the number of questions. Now move on to the type number 3. Type number 3 denotes dot situation. For this, let us take first example. We have given one problem figure. Suppose this is the figure, and there are two dots. One is between the common part of both, one is between in the single part of triangle, and one is in the only circle. Now we have to find the answer from the given 4 options. Options are, first option is this, second option is like this, third option is and fourth option is like this. Now we have to find that from the given option, in which option we can find, from which option we can denote all the 3 dots, in which option we can denote all the 3 dots. Now move on the first option. Here this dot, a single dot only in triangle is cannot be represent. So A should be not the answer. If we take B option, then we cannot denote this dot because it is present only in the circle, and in option B there is no part which is belong to only circle. In option C there is triangle is not present. So our answer should be option D, because in this option we can denote a dot which is present only in circle. We can denote this dot which is represent both the common part of circle and triangle, and this dot which is represent the only single part of triangle. So for this question our answer should be option D. So in this type we have to denote the dots in the given area according to the option. Now take more examples. Suppose the question is given that our figure is just like that, it is circle, then here is a square, and here is triangle, and the situation of dot is first, second and third. Now our A option is like this. A option is, this is our circle, it is our triangle, and it is our square. It is our first option. Second option is, it is square, then it is circle, and this is our triangle. Now it is our A option, it is our B option. In C option the condition is it is our triangle, it is square, and here circle is given, only circle is given in this circle. And in option D condition is here is square and then here is triangle and our circle is represented like this. So we have to find the option in which we can easily denote all the three circles. Friend, if we concentrate on option A, there is a dot which is only present in this circle, so we can denote this circle according to this. Now if this circle, which is common part of circle and square, it can be represented here, and the third dot is represent in the all the common part of the all the three diagram. So in this diagram we can represent this. Now in this option we cannot represent this dot which is represent between circle and square, because here is no part which represent the common part of circle and square. So for this question our answer should be option A. So this is the third and final type of this topic. Now take some questions for practice. Suppose here condition is given, the diagram is this is our diagram. Here u is 260, here A, value of A is 136 and here is 24B. The notations are U, which represent the married persons, educated and the teachers respectively. Condition is here U, A and B. U represent married persons, and A represent educated pupil, and B represent teachers, Condition is there are the total population, is 300. So according to this information we have to find some answers. First question is number of unmarried persons. Number of unmarried persons in the colony. Number of unmarried persons in the colony. Our options are, first option is 40, second option is 112, third option is 124 and fourth option is 125. Friends, we have to find the number of unmarried persons. Here according to the question total population is 300 and U denotes married person. So we can easily set total number of unmarried persons are 300 minus 260, which denotes the option A. Answer is 40. Now for this here one more question is asked according to the basis of given diagram. Suppose question is number of number of educated pupil who is not teacher. Who is not teacher. A option is 120, B option is 112, C option 124 and D option is 125. Now friends, we have to find the number of educated pupil who is not teacher. According to the diagram, we can say that A denotes educated pupil. So total number of educated pupils are 136, and in this 136 pupil, B are the teacher. So 136 minus 24, 136 minus 24 should be our answer. So our answer should be option B. There are total 112 persons which are educated and not teacher. So this is the example of the type simple Venn diagram. Now take some more examples for the practice. Suppose we have to represent the Venn diagram for cows, horses and animals, and our options are, first option is this, second option is this, third option is like this, and fourth option is like this. Now we have to find the proper Venn diagram for cows, horses, animals. Friends, in the circle of animals, these are two different animals. So our answer for this question should be option A. Animals denoted by this circle for cows and this circle for horses. Take one more example. Female mother and doctor. Our A option is, B option is, C option is like that, and D option is three different circles. Now we have to find the proper Venn diagram for this. Friends, we know that all mothers are female and some females can be mother, can be doctor, both. So for this question our answer should be option C. In this circle denotes mother, this circles denotes female, and this circle denotes doctor. All mothers are female and some mothers can be doctors also. So in this topic there are three types of questions we discussed. So it is very important topic for NTSC and very scoring also. Thank you.